Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Busola, and if you're meeting for the very first time on this channel, I talk about business, tech for business, and lifestyle, just like this one. So please do consider subscribing and liking this video, and again hit the notification bell so that you're aware anytime I post a video. So today I want to show you a really neat trick. Sometimes, I don't know about you, but sometimes I'm just tired. I don't want to type anything, especially when I'm preparing my YouTube scripts and everything. I really don't want to type. I just want to say something and have the app transcribe my voice and prepare me a script, right? So I want to show you a really neat, easy, free way and quick to do that on Google. So you just go to your Google apps, click on Docs, really fast guys, and really swift, really direct to the point. Excellent. So we go to Tools, then we click on Voice Typing. And here you are. So you just click on this. I'm so excited. Even now I'm still excited because it's so neat. So you click on the microphone and you begin to speak. There you have it, guys. And if you want a full stop, you just went ahead and put the full stop. Oh God. This is so neat. What do you guys think? Yeah. There are some spelling errors that are being lost in translation. But come on, how cool is this? This is excellent. See? And it's right there on your device. Free. But I'm sure, I don't know. Guys, you have to try this out. Yeah. You still have to like do some editing and everything, but come on. This is cool, isn't it? So there you have it, guys. A quick and easy way to record your... Oh, come on. This is cool, isn't it? So there you have it, guys. A quick and easy way to type your document via your voice. So till we meet again in the next video, my name is Busola. Toodles!